Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, the multi-million-dollar Insports fraud case on Tuesday saw Andrew Wright, the alleged mastermind behind the crime, take the witness stand. After almost 5 hours of detailed testimony, Wright is scheduled to return on Wednesday to continue his defense. In front of Justice Anne-Marie Lawrence Grenger, Wright gave details of the day-to-day running of the government agency where he was employed since 1996. Wright says he started as a junior accounting clerk before being promoted to senior accountant before finally landing the financial controller role. Wright and 5 co-accused are being tried for being part of a team of former Insports employees who wrote, signed and cashed fraudulent checks for payees who were neither employed nor contracted to the agency. However, according to Wright, all payments made during his tenure were approved and signed off on by the former administrative director, Ian Andrews. The defense counsel for Wright made an appeal to Justice Lawrence Grenger to allow his client or her client at least one more day on the stand. Wright's attorney is expected to call 4 witnesses during the trial, 2 for character reference and the other 2 to give factual evidence. The trial resumes on Wednesday morning at 10.